Hey guys, so most aspects of science are stuff we don't really think about until it's absolutely necessary, especially fluid mechanics. So today we're going to talk about how I'm going to get this bucket of water to my friend down there. I'm on the 5th floor, and although I could definitely dump this bucket of water on them, let's think of a more sane way to do this. A better way to do this will be with siphons. My friends Sabrina and Caitlin are going to explain to you what a siphon is and how you can do an experiment of your own at home.
Hi everyone. Today we'll be doing a simple experiment to introduce to you a well-known concept in fluid mechanics, siphons. So what is a siphon?
A siphon is a tube or hose used to transport water from one location to another. We're going to do two slightly different variations of this experiment to show you how it works at different elevations.
For this experiment, all you'll need is 2 cups, any liquid, scissors, and a bendy straw. To start, fill one of your cups up with the liquid. To create the siphon, you're going to submerge the straw completely in the liquid, cover the long end with your finger, rotate it, and release. This will cause the siphon to start and the water will flow from the full cup to the empty one.
For the first part of this experiment, we'll have the cups at 2 different elevations. The top cup should be filled with your liquid. Submerge the straw entirely in the top cup, holding your finger over the long end of the straw. Keep the short end submerged in the liquid and release your finger over the bottom cup.
For the second part of this experiment, the cups will be at the same elevation. You'll need to cut the straw, leaving one end slightly longer than the other. Following the same procedure as last time, you will leave the shorter end in the cup with the liquid, covering the longer end with your finger and releasing it into the empty cup.
So let's talk about what's going on. You'll notice in both experiments that the straw is completely filled with water. And in both experiments, the longer side has more water in it. So the force of gravity pulling on the water on this side is greater than that pulling on this side, which causes the water to move in and out through the longer side, through the longer straw. As the water comes out of this side, water is being pulled in on the shorter side to replace it. We call that pulling force negative pressure. As the water continues to come out on the long side, the water will keep being pulled in on the short side until the water level gets below the top of the shorter straw.
As my friend Sean explained, siphons work through gravity. So, as a result, if we look at the 2 experiments, we notice that the times that it took for the 2 cups to reach equilibrium were different. The reasoning for that is because the height of the siphon makes a difference. As the higher the siphon is, the greater the velocity in accordance to Bernoulli's equation. Therefore, it makes sense as to why the siphon that was at different elevations to be faster than the siphons that were at the same elevation. So in theory, and according to our experiment, if I take my bucket and I siphon all my water from the 5th floor to my friend all the way down on the ground floor, it's gonna happen really quick. So she better be ready. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can get more videos like this from us in the future. Have a good one.